In this video, we will give you an overview of the Hyperion planning implementation at a multinational retail corporation. This retail corporation has undertaken the task of replacing their existing spreadsheet-based planning and forecasting system with an Oracle planning and budgeting solution. Some of the main corporation business needs that the implemented solution will solve are: improve budgeting timing, centralize the budgeting process, replace the existing spreadsheet-based planning process, covers the need of having an organized planning process. It improves business predictability. Calculations are based on quick and efficient business rules. It integrates approval notifications via the workflow. It allows users to run quick simulations. And it's a solution that was built to evolve, and open to integrate new developments based on business needs. Developments for this phase of the implementation include a planning application to facilitate the calculation of the sales and gross margin subject area, as well as operating expenses, data entry web forms, smart view reports, a workflow, and the implementation of an automation process. Some of the main benefits of the implemented solutions are: it gives structure to the planning process, improves the planning process management, reducing the planning cycle times, centralizing the communication and enabling divisional and cross-departmental planning collaboration. It offers data accuracy to increase confidence in the budgeting, planning and forecasting process. It also brings consistency across reports, giving one version of the truth. It improves the internal control via the audit trail and security. The implemented solution will allow the business to easily identify potential areas of improvement during the planning process. It significantly improves productivity. The implemented application is open to evolve and easily incorporate future developments. Now, let's jump into the application to see the described functionality in action. The forecast process begins with the load of FX rates for each country in each forecast period. On the following data form, operations team inputs the expected sales for the stores opening in the current year. After loading new stores' sales, in the form input forecast by format and country, users should load sales at a higher level for same stores, openings last year, and closings. The margin is automatically pulled from commercial team. Once all sales are loaded, the operations team can review them distributed by store. Commercial team builds a forecast margin based on the departments. They have the option to run a business rule that suggests values for each department, providing an initial gross margin using historic information. The users can review suggested values by department, and make adjustments to any department to update the value of the gross margin. User can then run the business rule to distribute gross margin by country. Once forecast is completed, users can verify it and compare it with other scenarios. To forecast the operational expenses, the user can select a specific growth criteria. This configuration is applied at a high level and stored dimension by country and business. The 7 different criterias can be selected using this web form. The user has also the possibility to select a particular criteria. This means that will be a manual load. In this section, users can also preview the calculated values with the selected criterias. Once the high-level forecast is done, user can distribute forecast to store level using historical information.